Let's go now to Dr. Ashish Jha. He's the director of the Harvard Global Health Institute. Dr. Jha, we are seeing an alarming spike all across the country, so much so that the tri-state has now expanded the number of states that they will require to quarantine if there are travelers from those states. It's well over 9 states now. How do we get a handle on this when it seems like so many places are in the process of playing catch up?
Yeah, so thanks for having me on. In the long run, this strategy of states quarantining people coming from other states, everybody kind of sorting this all out on their own is not going to work. We have never had walls across states in the U.S., and we're not going to be able to build them now. And so we really do need a national coordinated strategy. And every state for themselves, I think, is just going to be a very, very difficult thing. We do have about 30 states where things are looking bad, about a dozen of which I think are looking alarmingly bad. We've got to get going on really ramping up pressure to bring the virus under control. I just don't see the level of action that we need right now.
Is asking people to quarantine when they're coming in from a hot spot to a place that's already found a way to decrease the number of cases, is asking them to quarantine enough, or should there be some consideration given to putting up, not closing down borders, to putting up more barriers between borders, between states in this country, less free movement between hot spots and places that have seen their infections decrease?
Yeah, not an area of expertise for me of like how you do this. We've never had states put up border checks against other states in any sizable way. We have always thought of ourselves as one country. From a health
perspective.
Look, I think we can try, and I think we can have those policies. I just don't know how well it's going to work, is I guess I'm skeptical that it would work. I just think we need a national policy to try to get these things under control. It's going to be very hard for New York to not get into trouble because of what's happening in Texas and Florida and Arizona.
Hello, YouTubers. If you're watching this, it means you've checked out our channel, so thank you. Now do me a favor, subscribe by clicking on that button down there. Click on any of the videos to watch the latest interviews and highlights from MTP Daily and MSNBC. You can get more Meet the Press content every morning in the First Read newsletter. If you're tired of content that you don't know anything about where it came from, you don't have to have that problem with us. NBC News, MSNBC, MTP, and the Meet the Press mindset right here for you on YouTube. Subscribe now.